So let's take a look at how we could change this sewing machine mechanism into a stamping press, a metal stamping press. So I'll start by going out to my class files, and in class files there's a folder slider crank press. Open that, and then the assembly slider crank press assembly. And so let's turn this part off for a moment. That's the housing, and I'll start with this piece right here. I'd like to modify this. I'll go and box pick down here, and I'll just delete the needle off the end. And let's make this a little larger. Right now it is 7. Let's change that to 10. And let's come on the bottom here, go to circle. I'd like to add a circle onto here. I'd like to lock to that face, sweep through the edge so I can get the center. Let's push this out to say 35. And I'll extrude this piece back up, say 28. And I'll fit the view to see what I have. And then maybe I'd like to go into the round command. Under round, pull down, chamfer equals setback. And I'll pick on this edge right here. And we'll set that back. And accept. And I'll close and return. Then I'll turn on the housing. And I'd like to push out the stroke length to its furthest extreme. And so the easiest way I found to do that is to go out here, planar align. And I'd like to align this edge with this edge. So that'll straighten that out. And once I've done that, I can go right back to the constraint and identify the constraint here and just delete that. I just wanted to straighten that out. If I look at it from the front view, that's as far as it's extended. Now I'll go out to the housing. Double click on the housing, and I'm going to delete this piece here, this protrusion 3. Identify that and hit delete. And then I'll go back to the table here. I'd like to pull this up closer to that edge right here, just so there's enough room to leave to stamp something under there. And I may want to push this in. I just identify the face, push it in, around a couple of edges. And close and return. And now I'm going to add a motor on this link right here around that axis. Let's change the speed to say 300. Tab, finish, and let's go and run that. Hit OK, fit the view.